Do you want to learn more about a way that you can earn $400 per day? It's crazy because you can make that much money just by typing names. This is a really easy method to follow and you could be earning hundreds of dollars in no time. As you can see right here, typing 1 page of names can help you earn this much money, 5 pages can help you earn this much, and 20 pages can help you earn this much. Seems too far-fetched? Well, I swear that it's not. The best part is that you can type as much as you want and earn lots and lots of money. There's no limit as to how much you can make on here, and you can use this platform on any mobile device, computer, laptop, or tablet, and you can do it from wherever you want as long as you can connect to the internet. Signing up for this platform is completely free, and yep, you heard that right. It won't cost you anything to sign up. Make sure you watch until the very end of this video so that you can learn more about this platform and how you can max out your earning potential.
Before I go into these tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on ways that you can earn money. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified when these videos come out.
All right, let's get into it. Now, first you may be wondering just how much you can make on this website, so I'm going to show you. I'm just going to pull up a calculator right here and let me look at the rate on this site. So it says that this is how much they're willing to pay you per word that you type. And now 1 page of words usually has around 300. So if you do the math, then this is about how much money you can make per page of typed names. Now to look for what the project looks like, you can just head over here to the search bar, type in the name of the project and search for that. So you will just type in the name project and that's what you're going to look for. Now you should see results of the project that you're going to sign up to work for today, and all you'll need to do is type in names and then you can get paid. This is a really quick and easy way for you to be able to make some money, and with the rate that they pay you, you could easily be making $300 or $400 per day. Are you intrigued? Well, good. This is an amazing opportunity that you aren't going to want to pass up. So to get started, just open up a browser and go to talentdesire.com. On this website, you can earn money while working from home and you don't need to invest any money to get started. When you scroll down, you can actually see that there are a lot of different types of jobs that you can take. You can do proofreading jobs, language translation, freelance blogging, and take paid surveys. There are a ton of jobs that you can choose from, and in this video, I'm going to be focusing on online typing jobs. Now, you might be wondering why I'm choosing to focus on online typing jobs, and it's really simple. This type of job doesn't require any technical skills or experience, and it's really easy to do. I mean, look at this right here. You could be making this much money on a yearly basis. It's a lot, isn't it? As you can see right here, and as I mentioned earlier, you don't need to spend a penny to sign up. You will need to spend a dime though. Just messing with you. Sign up is completely free. You can do this from pretty much any country that you live in. Everyone has access to this money-making platform, so you have no excuse to not get started. You can also see how much they pay you based on your level from beginner to expert, and you still get paid a pretty decent amount of money as a beginner, so do not fret.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Now let's dive back in. I have a bonus tip for you guys. You can thank me later. Anyways, basically just inputting names online is the quickest way to make money, but if you really want to speed up the process, you can go to this website right here. On this website, they pretty much give free typing tests. That's right, folks, they're free. So this here is what the homepage looks like, and what you're gonna want to do is click over here and go ahead and take the test. Now you may be wondering why. So if you take the test, the website will actually give you a certificate with your typing speed, and this certificate is 100% free, and having it will actually help you get paid more. So if you want to be able to earn at least $15 per page, you're going to want to take the test and get the certificate. Basically, having the certificate will prove to them that you can actually type really fast, and it increases your chance of your account getting approved. With a certificate, you could easily earn $400 a day. Now, you're going to want to pay attention to this part of the video because I'm going to walk you through how you can get a certificate. So how this works is when you start typing right here, it actually calculates how many words you can type per minute. It also checks how accurate your typing is and whether you have any spelling or typing errors. If you look right here, it basically says that your accuracy should be between 98 and 99. If you're able to get your accuracy up higher, then you can make more money. We all want more money, right? Right. So with this test, you can show off your accuracy and how fast you can type. Did you score less than 98% on your accuracy? Do not fret, because you can always retake the test until you get the result that you want. Did you fail the first time, the second time, or even the 100th time? Well, you can retake the test as many times as you want. Do you have the result you want now? Good. Now you can claim your certificate. Congratulations. To do that, you're going to create a once again completely free account by clicking on this button right here, and you just need to give them your name, email address, and then password. After that, you just hit the sign up button and bada bing bada boom, you have yourself an account. Now you can scroll down, click on your certificate that you have with the result that you want, and now you just click on this print button right here and you are one step closer to getting paid more for your typing. Now you can do this on either your phone or a computer, and once you open up your certificate, you can just save it as a PDF file. To be able to download the certificate, you're just going to click on the save button right here. And now you can start applying for typing jobs. So you're going to open talentdesire.com on a browser again. And now you're going to scroll through the site and look for the button to apply for a job. And then once you hit that, you should be brought over to a page that looks like this. Now you're just going to look through the jobs that are available and then pick one. So you just start the application process, and you're going to go ahead and fill in the page with some of your personal information. And no, I do not mean tell them about your childhood trauma. Now, if you're at this step and are still confused or have somehow gotten lost along the way, you can always rewatch the parts of the video that you didn't quite understand. If you're struggling to find the application page or have any trouble through this whole process, you can always bookmark my video and come back to it later. I swear it'll help you out a lot. Now, at this point of the video, you should be on a page that looks like this where you're going to register. And the first thing that you're going to need to do is accept their privacy policy, because they aren't going to let you work if you don't do that. Now you need to give them your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, and then choose whatever country you live in. As I said earlier, you can do this from anywhere. They have users from countries like Nigeria, Pakistan, the Philippines, the US, and Australia. They accept people from all over the world to work with them. And the next part of the application is going to be your professional information. You need to pay very close attention to this part of the video, because a lot of people mess up with this part of the application and then miss out on earning a lot of money. Don't make that mistake, because you could lose out on hundreds of dollars. Now go over here to the job title section and type this in right here. Make sure that you type exactly what I have on the screen right here so that you don't miss out on any money. Now you can choose whatever time of the day you'd like to work. I would suggest putting in that you're available all day, because it gives you a lot more job opportunities since your hours are open. Now here you just want to select how you'd like to receive your money, and as you can see, there are a lot of payment options for you, like PayPal, wire transfer, Payoneer, or direct deposit. And on this part, you just want to give them your professional status. Now you should be good to go. Are you ready to earn money? Good. So now just accept the terms and conditions and all this stuff right here. Put your signature, prove that you're human, and now you can submit your application. Congratulations, you are on your way to earning money just for typing. That's all I have for today's video. I hope you learned something new today.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.